shaker style door. When making doors with a plywood panel, we all know that 1/4 inch ply is rarely a true 1/4 inch. That's why the 61-507 set comes with both a 5.5 millimeter and a 5.9 millimeter slot cutter. The tongue cutter needs to be shimmed depending on whether you're using the 5.5 or the 5.9 millimeter slot cutter, and it comes with the appropriate shims to do so. Let me show you how easy it is to set up. Right out of the package, the tongue cutter is set up to make a 5.5 millimeter tongue. To change it to make a 5.9 millimeter tongue, we just need to loosen the nut on the top of the router bit and remove it. And under the nut we'll find a washer and a set of 5 thin shims. We just take these shims, slide them back onto the post, reinstall our slot cutter, our washer and nut, tighten the nut back down, and we're ready to make our 5.9 millimeter tongue. The groove cutter will be disassembled when you receive it, and you'll need to choose which slot cutter to use. I'm going to be using the 5.9 millimeter slot cutter, so I'm going to slide it onto my arbor that I've installed in my router. I'll take one of the shims, then the bearing, a second shim, the washer, and finally the nut, and tighten everything down, and I'm ready to make my grooves. Because this set comes with 2 different slot cutters, it does not include a setup block, so I use the end of my rail with my tongue to set the bit height for my groove. If your next project involves making a mission style or traditional shaker